Productivity in the construction industry has been stagnating over the past 40 years. Sectors like the automotive industry have embraced standardization and modularity as key drivers for efficiency. But in construction, every building is unique, right? When dealing with a lot of support systems on site, issues can arise. This can result in inconsistencies and an inefficient installation process, as well as schedule and budget overruns. Hilti Prefabrication Services can help solve these issues. Our BIM design services will pre-design your supports, enabling our 3 prefabrication services. Hilti channels cut to length according to your requirements, executed using state-of-the-art techniques by professionals, and delivered to your job site ready to be assembled. All the components of your support sorted in special packagings with the right quantities, including Hilti channels cut to length, delivered to your job site ready to be assembled. All your multi-trade supports, trapezes, cantilevers, and goalposts, assembled according to your requirements, delivered to your job site fully ready to be installed. Benefit now from our prefabrication services. You'll enjoy faster and higher quality installation, as well as a lower risk of accidents on the job site and less materials waste. Your storage and transportation needs will also be lower.